Try again, let's see. See it cranking but it don't start. Something's wrong with the fuel pump. The power don't come to the fuel pump. ECM is blocking it. They have a relay in there so they don't send the power to the fuel pump. Open it up. Man, still have some snow in here. It's this guy right here. Pull this one up and it should come up right there. No wonder, look at that shit. Close and built in. Built up. 4 pin is missing. They're broken. That might be the problem. I'm gonna replace that. It matches really good, so I'm gonna put it in. Yes, we got it. Hello everyone. สบายดี สวัสดีครับ Welcome to Best Clean Nature Channel. Cold, man. 20 something degrees outside. At the gas pump. Couple times. Try again. Let's see. See it cranking, but it don't start. Something's wrong with the fuel pump. Somehow the power don't come to the fuel pump. So we're gonna check that out. I think it's ECM. Cause I talked to the other guy on the YouTube. He told me that it might be the ECM, electronic control module or something. It's blocking it. They have a relay in there so they don't send the power to the fuel pump. So I'm gonna check that out. Open it up. Man, still have some snow in here. So on this car, the ECM is this guy right here. It's behind the battery. That's how you take it out, I think. You just unplug it. It might be a little bit dirty. Oh, not that bad. Just pull this thing up and it should come out. What it looks like right in here. Oh, no wonder, look at that shit. Close and built in. Built up. Pin is broken on the top here. So I cannot put this one back in. That's what the problem is. The car won't start. Okay, this is how we remove the ECM. So I'm gonna take out the battery first because the battery's in front of it. And then I'll remove from there. It's only 4 bolts. So I'm gonna take them all out to lose it. And right here, 2, and this one is the 3rd one. See it? Yeah. Take that one out. I'll leave it up here. And all you have to do is lift it up. This is cause the car don't start. Lift it up and pull it out. And there you go. So I'm gonna put the new one in. But I'm gonna have to unscrew this and this. Because we need the bracket for it. This is socket number 10. We're gonna remove this one. Keep the bracket for the new one. It's not really new. We got it from eBay. Okay. Unscrew this. It should come out. Oop. We're gonna take it out, that bracket right here. See how they come out? This is the bad one. We want to keep this bracket for a new one. All right, I just got this one in. So I think it's the right part. And let's pull it out. Got it for 65 bucks. I hope it works. I think they built in the fuel relay in here and they don't pump the fuel to my car. That's how it don't start. See, good. As long as my car start, right? This one's still good. All the pins still here. Okay, we got a part. Now we match it up. It matches really good, so I'm gonna put it in. See, both sides. And the pin's good, but this one got broken pin on this one. So this one still got a good pin. I got it from the eBay, so I hope it works. At the dealer is 1300, guys. So we're gonna put the bracket in. This is the bracket, so it go in like this. And we're gonna put the bowl in now. They got 4 of them. It's one right here. And one right here. Just hand tight. I'm not gonna torque them because they're aluminum, so just hand tight. I think should be okay. So you wanna go cross. They're tight really good. We're gonna put it in now. See, it's supposed to be like that. So it's gonna go in here and in here. See the bracket right there? Okay, it's gonna go in like right there. See, it's supposed to go hang in there. Okay, right there. Yep, lie up, put the bow in there and the bow in there. Only got 3 in this guy. Gonna put the drop in the knot right here on the top. Socket number 10 and one right here. Okay, I'm gonna tie. It's not gonna go nowhere. I'm not gonna torque them. And one on the top here. It should be really good right there. All 3 of them in. One right there, one right here, and one up here. Okay, and now we're gonna hook it up. So contact cleaner and the toothbrush. We spray it in with a contact cleaner, and it should dry really quick. And I use the brush to clean it, and then push it in there. Like how where the pin broken, and then count the same thing on that one. So this one is like 1 2 3 4 5 6, number 6 from the broken one on the bottom. So this is how you get it out. The pin, we use a needle. This is the needle, sewing needle, and the pin is right here. See, that's the pin. See the gasket, the yellow, the original one ripped. So that's why this one get bad. So I'm gonna replace them with the one that I bought it. It came with it, but how am I gonna get this one out right there? So it kind of put it. Don't wanna rip it. Keep our finger crossed if they come out. Okay, here we go. I think that's how to get it out. Oh, there you go. Dr. 2's working. Okay. I want to make sure that one's left, this one the right. Okay, we got it out. And this side, let's see, I want to make sure they go in the right. This side's the left. Go in like that. So I hope it go in easily with the Dr. 2 here. See if they go in like that. Kind of like push it in. Yeah, make sure they all in. You want to make sure they go in. Yeah, that's how it's supposed to go down really good. And when you close this, it's gonna lock up. When you see, there you go. It snapped. I think it's really tight. That's how tight they go in. Now we're gonna put this side in too. I think they're even now. It should be okay now. Okay, here we go. Lock it up. There you are. And lock this side up. There, you push down. I think it should hold really good now. Now we're gonna put the battery in, and then we're gonna hook it up, the ECM, and we're gonna test it out. Okay, here we go. Hook up the battery. Here we go. And negative on this side. Now it's supposed to be like. Now we're gonna tie it in and start the car. Right, not too tight, and it should be good. Okay, if you guys got the same problem, make sure check your ECM the car. Check that one too, not just the fuel. On this car they don't have the relay, they have they build it into the ECM. So okay, we're gonna pump the fuel. Let's see if it works. Do a couple of times, 3 times. Okay. Okay, let's see. Yes, we got it. See, so when you got the same problem, make sure you do you check the ECM on your car too. Don't just look at like the other guy said, the gas and the spark. No, you have to check the ECM too. All right, guys, if you guys got the same problem, this is the problem right here. ECM cause it don't start. Now I got it in, so I'm gonna put the cap, everything in, and it should be good. It runs good. Now we're gonna make sure no gas leaking. So I'm gonna put this guy back in here. This is EDI. So put it back in here. Start up. Now we're gonna lock it up with this guy. Just hand tight. I think would be good. The battery don't move, so it's really. If good. Your car crank and don't start, don't just check the fuel. You need to check the ECM too. Sometimes the water get in there. It got gasket inside. So the orange gasket, I can see it right there, a little bit right there. That's the ECM. Here we go. Start right up. So we got the problem solved. All right. That's how you change the ECM, electronic computer module. That's what they call. If you guys like this video, give a thumbs up, click on the bell, leave a message on the comment, and I'll be able to help you guys. So have a good day. Thanks for watching.